Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking developments surrounding DJI's rumored entry into the mirrorless camera market. DJI, a name already synonymous with drone innovation and gimbal technology, may soon take the photography and videography world by storm with its first mirrorless camera. Although there's been no official confirmation from the company, rumors and industry speculation hint at a potential release in late 2025. This ambitious move could shake up the market and present a formidable challenge to established giants like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. Let's explore the possibilities and what this means for photographers and filmmakers worldwide. A strategic leap, DJI enters the mirrorless market. DJI's potential venture into the mirrorless camera segment is not a far-fetched idea. The company has consistently redefined imaging technology with innovations like the Ronin 4D camera, which has been widely acclaimed in high-end cinematography. Known for its advanced stabilization systems and superior image quality, the Ronin 4D demonstrated DJI's ability to deliver professional-grade tools. If the same technical expertise is applied to a mirrorless camera, DJI could introduce a product capable of challenging the dominance of long-established brands. Hasselblad's influence, the key to imaging excellence. One of DJI's major assets in this venture is its ownership of Hasselblad, the legendary medium-format camera manufacturer. Hasselblad's renowned sensors and lenses are celebrated for their dynamic range, color accuracy, and unparalleled image quality. If DJI's rumored mirrorless camera integrates technology inspired by Hasselblad's innovations, it could offer imaging capabilities that appeal to both professionals and enthusiasts. Additionally, reports suggest the sensor might be sourced from Sony, further enhancing the camera's appeal with professional-grade performance. Hasselblad's legacy could also extend to lens compatibility. Industry insiders speculate that DJI's mirrorless camera might adopt the L-mount system, aligning it with a growing ecosystem of compatible lenses from third-party manufacturers. This approach could dramatically enhance the versatility of DJI's offering, making it a compelling option for a wide range of users. Revolutionary features. What we can expect. Based on current speculation, DJI's mirrorless camera will likely combine cutting-edge photography and video features. Key highlights may include high-resolution imaging, exceptional dynamic range, and accurate color reproduction. With DJI's deep roots in the drone and gimbal markets, it's reasonable to expect the camera to feature advanced stabilization systems, making handheld shooting a seamless experience. Another exciting prospect is the rumored modular design. This feature could allow users to customize the camera setup for various scenarios, from studio photography to outdoor filmmaking. Modular systems have been a hallmark of DJI's engineering, as seen in the Ronin series, and could provide unparalleled flexibility for content creators. Connectivity and user experience, a new standard. Connectivity could be another area where DJI sets itself apart. The lack of seamless wireless integration has long been a pain point in the camera industry. Leveraging its expertise in drone connectivity, DJI might introduce features like fast file transfers, integrated cloud backup, and enhanced wireless control. For instance, the inclusion of AI-driven cloud storage options could streamline workflows and reduce dependence on external storage devices, offering photographers and videographers a more efficient and secure way to manage their content. Competitive pricing, a smart strategy. While pricing details remain speculative, DJI's track record suggests a strategic approach. The company could position its mirrorless camera as a mid to high-end product, offering professional-grade features at a competitive price point. This strategy aligns with DJI's history of delivering value-packed drones that don't compromise on quality. By doing so, DJI could attract a broader audience, including professionals and hobbyists looking for an affordable yet powerful alternative to existing options. Design philosophy, a blend of retro and modern. Reports indicate that DJI might draw inspiration from Hasselblad's minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics for its camera design. A clean, retro-inspired look paired with intuitive interfaces could make the camera appealing to both newcomers and seasoned professionals. This focus on usability could address common frustrations with traditional camera systems, such as overly complex menus and outdated connectivity options. Challenges ahead: breaking into a competitive market. Entering the mirrorless camera market won't be without challenges. Established players like Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and loyal user bases. For DJI to succeed, it will need to offer more than incremental improvements. The rumored features, such as advanced stabilization, modular design, and superior connectivity, must translate into tangible benefits that resonate with professionals and enthusiasts alike. Another hurdle will be building trust among photographers and videographers. Many professionals are deeply invested in existing ecosystems, from lenses to software. DJI's ability to integrate seamlessly with third-party accessories and offer reliable performance will be critical in overcoming this barrier. Potential game changer, setting new industry standards. If DJI successfully enters the mirrorless camera market, it could have far-reaching implications for the industry. By addressing long-standing issues like connectivity and usability, DJI's camera could set new standards for what modern cameras should offer. This innovation could force established brands to rethink their designs, pricing strategies, and feature sets, ultimately benefiting consumers with more choices and better value. The road to 2025, what lies ahead? As the rumored late 2025 launch date approaches, anticipation continues to build. While the details remain speculative, the potential features and capabilities of DJI's first mirrorless camera suggest it could be a game changer. Leveraging its expertise in imaging and stabilization, along with Hasselblad's legacy, DJI has the potential to redefine the mirrorless camera market. What do you think about DJI's rumored leap into the mirrorless camera world? Could this be the beginning of a new era in photography and videography? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. Thank you for joining us today on Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest insights and updates on the most exciting advancements in tech.